Well, in this video I'm gonna talk about how you can change the differential fluid on a Honda CR-V 2008 2.2 liter diesel i-CTDi. This is the rear differential. Here is the filling plug, and here is the drain plug. So first of all, we're gonna unscrew this to let air come in, so it becomes easier for the fluid to come down, and at the same time we're gonna be sure that we can refill it after. So we start by this and then the other one. And I drove the car a bit before so it can drain easily. I'm gonna wait a bit, like 10 minutes maybe, and then put that bolt, tighten it, and then fill from here until the fluid starts to come out. New washer, and here is the other one with new washer. This is the setup: the fluid, the pump, and it's connected there. So it's gonna take some time. It takes some time until it comes back. So now it's dripping, it means the level is good. So we can close it. I'm gonna tighten this and clean here, take it for a drive. So no leaking, and we are good to go.